Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today's recipe I share with you how I make this easy popcorn recipe without any popcorn machine. So guys, let's check on the things that I will use for this recipe. Over here I have corn, I have some milk powder, oil, salt, sugar and vanilla essence. So with the vanilla essence it is optional. You can omit it if you don't want it. So let's get started. Into my pan I will add some oil, then add salt and the vanilla. I will then add my corn and mix everything together. So if today is your first time of seeing this channel, thank you for clicking on this video. This is Getty Cooks. We make food recipes on this channel, and if you are interested, kindly subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified. At this point, my popcorn is popping, so I will just cover it for all the corn to pop very well. Whilst the corn is popping, I want to use this opportunity to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you for being part of this wonderful family. To my returning subscribers too, you guys are too much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video and also leaving a comment. I do appreciate all your effort and your time. Okay guys, now the popcorn has popped very well, and since the pan is still hot, I went ahead to add the sugar. I will mix everything together until it is well coated. And if you are still with me up to this time, thank you so much for still being here. And if you find this video interesting, kindly like this video and also share this video to reach more people. Now I will add my powdered milk and mix them together as well. Alright fam, this is our popcorn. This is so easy to make without popcorn machine, and it came out so perfect, and you can pair this with any chilled drink of your choice. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye.